What's up, guys? So this is Bulk Rack Club back at it, and as we can see right here, we got a really nasty seat. These are the back seats, and they have kids in them, both sides. I'm gonna show you guys how to clean these out, extract them, and make them look like they're brand new. The main thing about these that you have to start off with is obviously removing the big stuff. That's fishing bait. And then we're gonna hit this up with some certain chemicals. And the main two chemicals that I love to use when it comes to working on this stuff, they're both from Malcolm. This is the Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. It smells really good. It's a nice mint finish, so if you like the smell of mint, this would be perfect for you. And the other chemical that I love to use even more would be enzyme cleaner. And I use it in my little tornador tool that you will be seeing here very shortly. Okay, so you guys figured out all the chemicals and stuff. So the first thing you want to do is pick out these big things, throw them away in the trash can, and then following up after that, you're going to start the vacuum process, which is just vacuuming out all these cracks, getting behind all these seat belts, every single thing you can think of here. You got to get in there. Look at that, it's all hidden. You don't think about cleaning that out. And we're going to hit the vacuum. Alright guys, so earlier as I described, I have a tornador and this is their foam gun right here. And so what I like to do is throw the enzyme diluted with the water. I usually run a 50-50. So 1 part water, 1 part the enzyme, just a little something stronger to get into these fibers and start pulling out all the tough stains. You're gonna need an air tool for this. So there's mine. I think it runs on 90 PSI. Which I think is very standard for every single air compressor now. Yeah, we're gonna basically soak the living heck out of these seats and make sure that it looks really nice. Alright, so the next step after having this go in and soak in a little bit, as you can see the seats are a bit wet now and everything is kind of getting in past that first layer of the material. You get yourself a little brush tool. Mine's a little different from everyone else that's running YouTube videos. They like that little drill brush. I like this big guy because he really pulls out all of these stains really well, which helps with my extraction process. I'm going to hit these seats now. It's going to get a little nasty. It's going to splatter everywhere. So yeah, enjoy that. Extraction machine. It goes from detailking.com or whatever, shipped to my house. This is a Mighty Light. Don't exactly remember the year or the model because I got this like a few years ago. It's already warmed up, the water's warmed up, and we're gonna start hitting the seats on the inside and show after result. So we just finished everything for the extraction. All the stains came out. Everything came out really good. The seats are obviously wet. So what I typically like to do is tell my clients to leave the windows open overnight, park it in the garage, and by the morning it should be nice and dried up. And yeah, it's a little darker now. Everything's wet. It'll come back to that lighter color like the front seats are once it dries up. And for anybody in advance, there's a lot of people that make those YouTube videos who just throw on a bunch of degreaser and stuff on your seats, run extractions off that. It's not a bad idea. The chemical is a lot stronger than enzyme is. This is a bit of a more safer way of doing it, and it gets the exact same results done. So I would try to avoid doing degreasing for all the seats and the carpets and stuff. You're just deteriorating your material a lot sooner than the enzyme cleaner would. Other than that, yeah, that's how the seat looks like, and welcome to the club.